Finally, I did it! This feeling of freedom is incredible!
Look at this bird's behind that!
Have you ever wished you could create a cinematic video from just one picture? Like imagine taking a simple photo and turning it into a powerful shot with dialogues, emotions and real sound effects without doing any editing yourself. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today we are going to explore a tool that actually makes this possible. Welcome back to my channel everyone. In this video we are diving into a wonderful platform called Higgsfield.ai and we will be testing out its latest update Kling 2.6 which is now trending everywhere. So the link is available in the video description. Once you click on it and create your account, you will see a clean dashboard in front of you. Here you will notice the new Kling 2.6 model available right away. Just click on it and you are ready to start creating videos with just one click. The process is super simple. First you upload an image. For my first example, I am uploading an image of a man standing on top of a mountain. My prompt will be a man standing on the top of the mountain shouting with pure joy and excitement, his arms raised in victory saying, "Finally I did it." Once the prompt is added, I will turn on the audio button, which is very important because it adds natural sound and emotions to your video. After that, you choose the model. You have many options. But for this video, I am selecting Kling 2.6 which is currently trending. Then you choose the duration, aspect ratio and simply hit the generate button. Now just wait patiently for a few moments. And here you can see our video is ready.
Finally, I did it! This feeling of freedom is incredible! Finally, I did it! This feeling of freedom is incredible!
The man is now shouting happily at the top of a mountain, exactly how we described in the prompt. You can download it in full 4K quality, copy it, edit it further, and use many other options available on the platform. Let's try something a bit more exciting. I will upload another image. This time I want to recreate an action style scene. So I am uploading an image of a man stepping out of a car. A man steps out of a car in a close-up shot, looking confident and intense as he says, "I am the hope of the universe." Again, I will select the audio, choose Kling 2.6, set the duration and aspect ratio and hit generate.
I am the hope of this universe.
And just look at this. It has turned the still image into a dramatic video clip instantly. Now let's try something even more cinematic. I will upload a picture of a couple. I want a soft and romantic video. Give a prompt here. I will turn on audio, select Kling 2.6, choose the duration and aspect ratio and hit generate.
Look at this bird's behind that! Look at this bird's behind that!
Higgsfield instantly created a beautiful cinematic video based on our image and story. So this is how easily you can create powerful cinematic videos using just a single picture by using Higgsfield.ai. Whether it's action, emotion, romance or storytelling, Kling 2.6 brings your photos to life in seconds. Higgsfield.ai offers 4 simple pricing plans so every creator can choose what fits their needs. The basic plan, priced at only $9 per month, is a good starting point for new users. It gives you 150 credits every month, which you can use on selected video models, image models, and editing tools. You also get access to a few helpful apps. This plan is ideal for people who want to experiment with AI video creation but don't need full features yet. Next is the Pro plan, available for $29 per month. This plan gives you 600 credits, but the real benefit is access to all video models and all image and editing models. You can run more tasks at the same time, and you also get unlimited image generations for the entire year. This makes the Pro plan one of the best value options for regular content creators. The Ultimate plan, priced at $49 per month, takes things even further. You get 1200 credits, early access to advanced AI features, and unlimited Kling 2.6 generations. This is perfect for creators who want consistent, high quality outputs without worrying about limits. Finally, the Creator plan costs $89 per month, discounted from $249. It includes 6,000 credits, priority access to new features, and unlimited generations across all major models. This plan is built for heavy users, agencies, and creators who need large-scale production. Now, when you compare these prices with other platforms, as shown in the comparison chart, Higgsfield is clearly offering the lowest rates on the market. Their Kling 2.6 and Google Veo 3 fast generation prices are significantly cheaper than competitors. And remember, unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations are only available until December 12, so this is the best time to subscribe. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment down below if you have any question, subscribe to our channel for amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.